友達のジョンさんのところに着きました。ランボルギーニの元のマフラーの先のところを持ってきたんで、これに戻したいんだけど、色はダメですね。この色だったらやっぱり黒の艶消しの黒じゃないでしょうか。車みたいにサテンブラックでいきましょう。この T1 ホイールのジョンさんのところです。最近地元のマッキニーに引っ越してきました。ジョンさんいるかな？ Hey, there he is. What's up? How convenient. You're right there.
Oh, man.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, man.
Nice to see you. Here, I'm going to hand this off to you real quick. You know where that's from?
It looks expensive.
That is for my Lamborghini Murcielago. That is the center exhaust tip for the car. And since my car is that nice satin black, we can't put this on there on a satin black car, can we?
Nah, we're gonna need to clean this up.
Man.
This thing needs some help. I think on this one, we're probably gonna have to go with that high temp ceramic coat, kind of similar to what we did on some other stuff.
Oh, that's right. We did that on the 86. That's right.
So I think we'll go that same route on this.
How's your new place here in McKinney, man? It looks
Pretty
nice.
good, you know, not much to see, it's nice and quaint and cozy here.
I like it, man. What? This thing's cool. I like that. All right, John, I'm leaving her with you. Next time I see this thing, she ain't gonna be as ugly, I would imagine. 2日後にこの T1 ホイールさんに戻ってきました。いい匂いする。いい匂いする。Yo, John, what's up, man? How you doing, man? Nice to see you. Oh, whoa, no introduction necessary. Look at that. Oh my, dude, that looks so perfect. It's gonna look so much better with this tip back on there. Dude, you nailed it. You nailed it. The satin black, it looks just like the paint. Perfect. Nailed it.
It should flow very well.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You knocked that out pretty quick too, man. I wasn't, 3 days, we were done.
Nah, not too bad. Just a lot of time sandblasting, making sure it's nice and clean and got
like
a good
it.
surface. So.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Quality One, guys, in McKinney. Check them out. Tell them you saw my Steve's POV. PPF 透明フィルムをやっているアルンさんのところに、もう1週間になるのかな。1週間前からランボルギーニが行ってるんで、今日からちょっと見に行こうかなと。そろそろできるという話です。スカイラインで行く理由は、トップスピードのジョンさんちょっと経由して行くので、天気がめちゃくちゃ寒くてこれから雪が降るかもっていうことなので、雪降ってくる前に用事が全部終わらせることができれば一番いいんですけどね。トップスピードといえばこのトップスピードなんですけど、トップスピードのところでこのマフラーをボディキットつける前に、入れてもらった、インストールしてもらったマフラーなんですが、ボディキットしてからやっぱり角度とこの熱でラッピングが剥がれてしまうので、これはなんとかならないかということで、ジョンさんにこれから、見てもらいます。やっぱり角度もそうだし、見た目があれなので、調整が必要です。ナイスな発見です。見て、超車庫端、めっちゃ車庫端のスバルだよね。 WRX じゃないでしょうか。見て、かっけえ。 What's up, man? How are you? スティーブ的店のファンでしてね、会ったことあるような気がする。でも彼の車そこまで車庫端だったっていう記憶がないな。かっこいいよ。かっこいいね。かっけえ。サムズアップ。車好きとしてすぐ友達になれる。たく サムズアップももらえる。ありがたいよな。車のコミュニティはそういうところだよ。全世界はそうなんだよね。ほら、来た。いいね。かっこいいよ。トップスピードに到着しました。ジョンソンのところにも、周りにも車屋さんにも、すんげえかっこいい車いつも多いんだよね。S2000 は今、5、6台あるのかな？こんなにある。そして、ジョンさんのところにある、面白い、ほら、かっこいい。めったに見ない、BM のワゴンですよね。かっけえ。今トップスピードに車置いてきました。3、4時間かかるということで、直すのに、置いて、で、今、ジョンさんのバンを借りて、ランボルギーニの、ラッピングショップ、PPF のアロンさんのところに、今から行きます。アロンのところに到着です。どのぐらい進んだのかな？すげえ。Mr. Allen, how are you? Nice to see you, man. Whoa, Well, since it's clear and it's stealth, it's very hard to tell. Would you tell me I see what you're working on right now, but the car looks fantastic. Tell me what you've gotten done already. Look. Wow, man, and the clear's already on here.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that, man. It actually looks deeper and almost like more satiny than it did when I left it with you.
Yeah, it gets a little more depth because of the thickness of the material.
When I left you, man, there was some discoloration type stuff. There was a lot of stuff. You spent a lot of time just prepping, right?
Oh yeah.
A hell of a lot of time prepping.
There was overspray, there was oil, there was greases, there was streaks in it. Just about everything you think of. We got it back to the original.
Oh, let's see.
That's the paint and that's quick raw.
Oh, there's the paint and there's the. Oh yeah, okay. With the light, it's interesting. A bit of different reflectiveness to some degree, deeper for sure. Dude, Alan, nice work, man. Nice work. What's that saying? Prep is 90% of the job. Is that what they say?
Pretty same photos.
It's you spent a lot of time on it.
75%.
Sometimes. In this case, it was a lot. I noticed you're working on a panel. Can I take a little peek at what the process is like?
Oh, sure.
All right, cool. Show me. Part is not quite done yet, but if you look at the detail, it's hard to show it on camera because you can't see, it's clear, but it looks beautiful. It's deeper, it's glossier, it's clean, and so much prep work went into it. I realize this, so I appreciate all the efforts, all the hard work. Thank you, thumbs up, man. I appreciate you, and be back in a couple days. Oh, まだ上がってる。かっけー。Hey, John. What's up? Hi, I'm back. Whoa, oh, she's up in the air. Well, she looks good like that. Oh yes, I love the angle. それはいいんじゃないですか？ほら、気持ちだけ出てきて、角度もちょうどいい感じに。That's nice. Well done as always. Thank you so much. Look at that now. Man, that looks awesome. Finally. Yes. ありがとうございます。ずいぶん良くなりましたね。かっけえ。いいね。トップスピードにいつもお世話になってるんで、ジョンさんありがとうございます。お疲れ様です。もうランボルギーニ何週間2週間3週間ぐらいかかりましたよね。透明のフィルム、プロテクティブフィルムはアランさんに全部任せてるんだけども、天気が寒いのと車が意外と汚いところが多くて、なかなかこう思った以上に時間かかったっていうことだったんですが、今日やっと連絡いただきまして、車もできますので、スティーブさん取りに来てくださいね。で、それで、最近、ダラスに引っ越してきた、これスコットさんと言います。ですか？ What's up?
はじめまして。
日本語もできますよ。日本語も少しできます。
Together, we will be the first people to see my Lambo
fully protected filmed, fully protected, and we're gonna drive it out of here for the first time in 3 weeks or so.
I'm excited to see it.
スコットさんは車好きなんで、彼の車はかっこいいですよ。見せましょうか。マニュアル車の分かる人が分かると思いますよね。外見せましょう。はい、スコットさんの車はこれです。What year is this? I am sorry, I am not much of a BMW guy. I'll tell you, I really like the accents you did, man. Some of the, like that with the yellow and the calipers and the wheels look great. Nicely done. Very cool. おー、またランボルギーニが増えたんじゃない Alan! Look at you, you look like a doctor. Dr. Allen. How, whoa! My goodness, look at that shine. Or sheen, which is the proper terminology. The sheen and the shine. Wow, whoa! Look at those headlights. すんごいかっこいいんじゃない？俺はこれも特注したんで、後で追加したんだけど、黄色にしたらどうかと。ということで、黒に黄色。What do you think, Scott? This is, it looks fantastic. すんごいいい感じに出来上がってきたんじゃないですか。アランの仕事がめっちゃ細かい。時間かかったのは、これ全部手でやったんですよね。パターンじゃなくて、テンプレートじゃなくて、手で全部こうハンドカットっていうんですかね。車はすごくいい感じに出来上がってきたんで、キムさんも来ました。What's up, Kim? Thanks for coming. I think good work takes time. Nothing comes fast. I pushed a little bit. I wasn't too bad, was I? No, not too bad. I'm sure. I'm respectful that things take time. Of course, I want my car back sooner, but I knew Alan was doing a good job taking his time to do it right. And do it right. You can do it right. That's you did it right, man. It looks fantastic. Guys, Accent Solar. His phone number is in the description below and the Instagram, so call him, text him. Texting him works great. He works late at night a lot of times. Alan did a fantastic job on my Lambo. As you can see, he does a ton of other high-end cars as well. I would highly recommend. He's a super nice guy. Communication is great. And again, give him space, give him the time to do what he needs to do. Good work takes time. He's not using templates. He's hand cutting everything. So if you look at a car that has a template, clear bra on, and I saw one the other day, Alan.
Yeah.
And I got to tell you, I felt bad for the guy. Thumbs up, man. Guys, Alan, Accent Solar, here in Carrollton.
Keep coming. Turn. Go ahead and cut it some. Keep coming. You're good.
Oh my gosh, Steve. Steve.
どうですか、キムさん。いい感じになりました。
It's fantastic.
本当？ありがとう。嬉しい。